In this video, we will learn another grammar concept which is imperative Satz. In English, we call it as imperative sentence. We will learn when to use imperative and also how to build imperative sentences when the subject is you formal. Let's begin. By definition, imperative sentence is a sentence that expresses a direct command, request, warning, or instruction. That means to say imperative speech is a direct speech. You either instruct somebody to do something, or you command, or you warn somebody, or you also request somebody to do something. So it's a direct speech. So that means to say the subject could be either you formal, that is Sie, or du, you informal, or ihr, that is you all. Let's check out some examples in English. Wash the plates. Listen to me. Take left turn. Be careful. So these are some of the imperative sentences which we use in our daily lives. Now, let us try to understand the sentence structure of an imperative sentence using Sie. We use Sie as the subject whenever we want to give instruction to somebody. For example, gehen Sie links. That means you go left. If you carefully observe, I have the verb placed in the first position, then the subject is formal Sie, and then in the object's place we have an adjective which is links. So whenever you want to give instruction, in this case you are giving direction to somebody, you use the infinitive form of the verb which is gehen here, because Sie is the subject here. Similarly, we have lesen Sie das Buch. That means you read the book. So here you're instructing somebody to read the book. So further examples, trinken Sie Wasser bitte. That means you drink water please. Sprechen Sie langsam bitte. Or sprechen Sie schnell bitte. Or sprechen Sie laut bitte. So here bitte means please. It makes you sound polite. So sprechen Sie langsam bitte. That means you speak slow please. Fahren Sie zum Hotel bitte. You drive to the hotel please. Kommen Sie bei mir bitte. You please come to me. So that's all in this video, guys. I hope you understood the concept of imperative and how to build the imperative sentences. That's all in this video. Have a nice day. Cheers.